Welcome to 1 Minute Travel and Hospitality News. India's decision to reintroduce COVID testing is a step backwards, IATA. Prime Minister Modi to flag off world's longest river cruise on January 13th. Dubai scraps 30% tax on alcohol sales amid economic rebound. Macau relaxes COVID rules, tourism and casinos yet to rebound. Croatia adopts Euro, enters borderless Europe club. Tourist footfall increases in Kullu amid snowfall in Manali and Atal tunnel craze, expert shares why. Indigo's Hyderabad flight to be first to land on Goa's new airport named after Manohar Parrikar. Grow your travel business with TravServer. Thanks for watching 1 Minute Travel and Hospitality News. Use your full potential to develop and grow your travel business with TravServer CRM.